View. You'll recall from this morning's video that I said I entered a trade on the US dollar South African rand, and as you can see I'm still in that trade. It has retraced a little bit more than what we expected, but it is pulling its way out of it again, and unfortunately I think I'll only be able to update you on the result of this trade tomorrow, because as you can see I'm looking at the 1 hour chart and it still has a couple of hours to go, so the update will therefore only be tomorrow morning. Sorry about that, guys. I'm not going to review silver again. We know what we're waiting for over there. As far as gold is concerned, let me just quickly get onto that one. Gold, we can see that indeed it continued a lovely bullish push. I'm still in that trade. You can see that I bought in over there. My stop loss is still over there. I haven't activated a trailing stop on this one yet, guys. I don't feel that there's a need for it. Looking at the 4 hour chart, just to show you the progress up to where the profit level is placed, the take profit, you can see that it's pushing up nice and steady, but also on this one, unfortunately, there'll only be an update tomorrow morning as to the results of the trade, but it's looking very positive. We can see that it has almost already reached this level over there. It's really very close to it, and obviously, as we know, once it's taken out this level, it'll then go after the next level over there. Perhaps, you know, that one and that one might play a part as well. Very happy with the trade on gold, and I'm pretty sure that the trade on the South African rand will also pan out just nicely. It had me sweating, I have to admit, and then luckily one of the traders in our group called me and said, hey, you know, hang in there. The analysis was probably right, just hold on. So I'm very glad that that happened. You know who you are, so thank you. Looking at the Japanese yen, dollar Japanese yen, still no real strong push out of that little channel that I was talking about this morning, so I would still not want to trade the dollar yen. Surprisingly enough, there was a lot of action on the euro USD. As you'll recall this morning, that's the part that we saw, and then all of a sudden it broke out of this channel. But as I was already engaged in other trades, I didn't even look at the euro. And frankly, I'm glad I didn't, and I'll tell you why. It only reached that level over there, slightly pierced it, and is now pulling back from it. Other traders would have traded it. I would probably not have traded it. I probably would have if I weren't engaged in other trades, but this is not the kind of trade that I like to take. I'm a trend line trader. I trade trend line breaks and trend line bounces, as you might have gathered from previous videos. And we see that, as is usually the case, the British pound US dollar mimicked the movement of the euro. Now, this is why I don't really like trading breakouts, guys. There's an example right there. This could have been viewed as a breakout right there, but it was a false breakout. And then shot all the way up there, did pierce through that level, and is also now slowly but surely pulling back. And we'll have another look at it tomorrow morning and see what panned out on there. So, just to summarize, at the moment I'm still in two trades, one on the US dollar South African rand and the other one on gold. And we'll chat again tomorrow morning then as to what happened to the trades. Guys, if you found these videos helpful, please don't hesitate, subscribe, and also view some of the earlier videos and see how I talk people through the markets. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll chat again tomorrow morning. Trade safe.